Hello everyone, welcome to the new video of your English grammar of the book Pebbles of Grammar by Galaxy Publications. I am here back again with a new video of a new chapter, that is chapter number 6, Nouns, Gender. Okay, we will begin with this chapter now. Nouns can be divided into 4 classes. Now nouns are there which can be divided into 4 classes. And earlier we have studied that nouns can be divided into proper noun, common noun, collective noun. Then we studied the plural noun and singular noun, that is noun number. Now we are going to study noun genders. There are basically 4 classes of nouns. The first one is the masculine gender, the second one is feminine gender, third is common gender, and the fourth one is neuter gender. Nouns which are used for males are said to be in the masculine gender. Now this line means कि ऐसे nouns जिनसे हम रेफर कर रहे हो, जिनको हम मेल्स के लिए यूज़ करते हैं, they are said to be in the masculine gender. For example, man, father, king, son, uncle, grandfather. Nouns which are used for females, ऐसे nouns जिनको हम females के लिए यूज़ करें are said to be in the feminine gender. हम उन्हें फीमेल कैटेगरी में जिन्हें हम रखते हैं उन्हें हम मानते हैं फेमिनिन जेंडर. एग्जाम्पल वुमन, मदर, क्वीन, डॉटर, आंट एंड ग्रैंडमदर. Some nouns are used for both males and females. Now this line says ऐसे कुछ nouns होते हैं जो कि यूज़ करे जाते हैं दोनों ही मेल और फीमेल के लिए. हम उन्हें क्या बुलाएंगे? We will call them, or they are said to be called as common gender. For example, friend. Now friend can be anyone, male or female. Similarly, teacher, doctor, parent, cousin, insect, bird, lawyer, child. These all are common nouns. Common gender. Some nouns are neither males nor females. कुछ नाउन्स ऐसे होते हैं जो ना कि मेल होते हैं और ना ही फीमेल होते हैं. दे आर सेड टू बी इन द न्यूटर जेंडर. हम उन्हें बुलाते हैं न्यूटर जेंडर. दे आर ऑल नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स. ये सब क्या होते हैं? न्यूटर जेंडर की कैटेगरी में जो भी हम लेंगे एज एन एग्जाम्पल, दे ऑल आर बेसिकली नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स, मीन्स दे डोंट हैव लाइफ. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, बुक, टेबल, बैट, पैन, car, chair, office, house, wood, etc. So this was all about the 4 classes of nouns according to their gender. So we have studied masculine gender, feminine gender, common gender and neuter gender. If you look over here, they have given you certain masculine and feminine genders. Some nouns in masculine and feminine form are given below. Study them. Let's read it. Nephew, niece. Now this is the masculine table given over here. This is again masculine table given over here, and here their feminine gender is written. So let's read it. Nephew becomes niece, lord, lady, duke, duchess, drake, duck, emperor, empress, buck, doe, stallion, mare. Now stallion means male horse. Rooster, hen. Now rooster again means male cock. Monk, nun, bachelor, spinster, giant, giantess, wizard, witch, host, hostess, shepherd, shepherdess, gander, goose, colt, filly. Let's move to the next page. Then we have some more written over here in another table on the next page. Fox, vixen, ram, ewe, milkman, milkmaid, stag, doe, landlord, landlady, lad, lass. So this was all about so many genders they have mentioned over here in the table. Now let's move to the exercises. Now in the exercises, let's move to the first question. Classify these nouns as masculine, feminine, common and neuter gender. Now there are certain words given over here और हमें इन्हें classify करना है कि इनमें से कौन सा noun masculine है, feminine है, common या फिर neuter gender है. हम उसके लिए हमारे genders का first alphabet use करेंगे यहाँ लिखने के लिए. Okay, now let's begin this way. The first word is jar. Now jar is a non-living thing, so it is neither masculine nor feminine and it is also not common gender. We will write it as neuter gender, hence I am writing over here N. Then princess. Now princess is feminine gender. Fan is another non-living thing, तो हम यहाँ लिखेंगे neuter gender. Chair, chair is also neuter gender. Duck, feminine, क्योंकि इसका masculine drake होता है. Parent is a common gender. Brother is masculine. Niece is again feminine. Maid is feminine. Cousin is common gender. Uncle is masculine. Apple is neuter gender. Computer is again neuter gender. President, common gender. Child, common gender. When we are using the word child, child कैसा भी हो सकता है बच्चा. It can either be a boy or a girl. Clerk, again common. Governor, again common. Knife is neuter gender. Bat is neuter gender. And computer, it has come twice over here, so we are mentioning it also as a neuter gender. So this was all about question number A. Let's move to the question number B. The question number B says, write the following sentences by changing the gender of the words printed in colored letters. जो भी इन sentences में colored letters में words printed हैं, हमें उनको change करके उनका gender change करना है और ये sentences rewrite करने हैं. Here the space is little less, therefore I am changing all the words for you over here. My landlady is a sweet person. So this will change into land lord, my landlord. Then next, a cock is dancing in the rain. What will the cock change into? It will change into hen. Then the next sentence, the stag was attacked by a lion. What will lion change into? Lioness. Fourth, the bride is coming in a car. This will change into bridegroom. The fifth is the tigress is taking care of her cubs. यहाँ आ जाएगा tiger. Now remember, हमें ये पूरा sentence लिखना है. इन sentences में कोई change नहीं आया था, but if you look carefully in sentence number 5, you will find they have mentioned a word her. ये हर यूज़ हुआ है टाइग्रेस के लिए, बट जब हम इसको मैस्कुलिन जेंडर में कन्वर्ट कर रहे हैं, ये हर चेंज होके बन जाएगा हिज. सो व्हाट इज द सेंटेंस नाउ? द टाइगर इज टेकिंग केयर ऑफ हिज कब्स. ओके, नाउ द नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस, द काउ इज अ यूजफुल एनिमल. व्हाट इज द ऑपोजिट जेंडर ऑफ काउ? Bull. Some ducks are in the pond. क्योंकि यहाँ वर्ड s लगा हुआ है, यानी कि ये प्लूरल में लिखा गया है, तो हम ड्रेक को भी प्लूरल फॉर्म में लिखेंगे और उसमें s लगाएंगे. A buck is sitting under a tree. You will change into doe. You will write here doe, D-O-E, doe. The ninth sentence, the milkman brings milk. तो milkman change होके बन जाएगा milkmaid. The last sentence, Duke is coming with the Lord. So you will write Duchess. So this was all about the 10th sentence, and with this we come to the end of this question. Let's move further to the next question. Question number C says rewrite after changing the gender. हमें इस sentences को दोबारा से change करके लिखना है, इनका gender change करना है, and we have to rewrite the sentences. So now let's write them. The first statement is My aunt has gone to Shimla to meet her daughter. Now in this sentence जितने भी आपको लगता है कि genders आपको change करने पड़ेंगे, you can change all of them. तो पहला sentence बन जाएगा My, now aunt will change into uncle. My uncle has gone to Shimla to meet his son. Okay, so what all we have changed? We have changed here aunt, we have changed here the word her and daughter. My uncle has gone to Shimla to meet his son. Okay, now let's come to the second sentence. The wizard changed the boy into a horse. So you will write over here the witch, क्योंकि यहाँ पे wizard change होके बन जाएगा W-I-T-C-H. The witch changed. Now again the boy को हम change कर देंगे girl. Change the girl into a horse को लिखेंगे हम यहाँ पे into a mare. M-A-R-E. आपको याद है हमने पढ़ा था स्टैलियन का मेयर होता है. व्हाट इज स्टैलियन? स्टैलियन इज बेसिकली अ मेल हॉर्स. तो हॉर्स का भी जेंडर जो है वो मेयर ही होगा. थर्ड सेंटेंस, द गर्ल इन द शॉप इज माई नीस. तो यहाँ पे आपको क्या चेंज करना है? गर्ल और नीस. तो हम लिखेंगे द बॉय इन the shop is my nephew. The boy in the shop is my nephew. The lioness attacked the stag. Okay. The lion attacked the, what will be of stag? Stag और buck दोनों का सेम ही होता है, that is doe. Then we move to the next sentence. The bees are humming. The bees are humming. bees को आप ड्रोन में कन्वर्ट करेंगे. The next sentence, the king crowned the prince. Now you will write over here, the queen crowned the prince. कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा princess में. So this is it. Let's now move to number 7. The cunning fox hunted a rooster. The cunning fox बन जाएगा द कनिंग विक्सन। हंटेड अ रूस्टर, रूस्टर बन जाएगा हंटेड अ hen। The 8th sentence, the monk was praying in the church। तो monk जो कन्वर्ट होके बन जाएगा हमारा the nun, N-U-N, nun, was praying in the church। Okay, now let's move further. Now let's move to the next sentence, that is number 9, my brother is a bachelor। तो यहाँ पे दो चीज़ें चेंज होंगी, ब्रदर और बैचलर। तो सेंटेंस चेंज होके क्या बन जाएगा, माई ब्रदर बन जाएगा सिस्टर इज अ, बैचलर का ऑपोजिट जेंडर होता है स्पिंस्टर, SPINSTER। Okay, now the next sentence, my uncle bought a black stallion। Uncle and the word stallion will change over here और ये सेंटेंस बन जाएगा my aunt bought a black mare। So this was it all about this question. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you like it. Wait till the next video. Till then, take care.